How to delete recent searches on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then click on your activity, and here you want to click on recent searches, where you will be able to find all of the recent searches that you have made on Instagram. In order for you to remove one of these searches, all what you need to do is click on the X icon next to it, or you can also remove and delete all of them at once by clicking on the clear all text that's written in blue at the top right. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to clear your search history? And it tells you what will happen if you do that. Click on clear all to confirm. And as you can see, you have just deleted all of the recent searches. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove and clear all of your recent search history on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.